Tired of spending hours fighting with PowerPoint templates just to get a decent-looking slide deck? What if you could design beautiful, professional presentations instantly just by telling an AI what you want? Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're looking at Alai, an AI presentation maker designed to help you turn your ideas into polished decks in seconds. Located at getalai.com, Alai isn't just another basic slide generator. Its main strength is helping you stay on brand. You can actually build your own custom design system inside the tool by importing your brand assets, templates, or website, or you can choose from their library of handcrafted design systems. This means whether you are creating a presentation, a social post, or an infographic, everything looks cohesive and professional. When it comes to editing, Alai gives you the best of both worlds. If you see something you want to change, you can edit it manually, or simply tell the AI what to adjust, and it will refine the design for you. Now, let's talk about what users are saying. On their website, Alai features great testimonials from founders and engineers who praise its superior design logic, with some even mentioning they switched over from other popular tools like Gamma. However, because Alai is a relatively fresh player in the space, independent third-party user reviews are still quite limited. This means the best way to know if it fits your specific workflow is to head over to getalai.com and try out their free starting option for yourself. If you need a tool that promises perfect, on-brand slides without the usual design headache, Alai is definitely worth a look. Have you tried Alai yet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick AI tutorials. See you in the next video.